Review of Sonar Oil Press Machines. Multifunctional home-use Sonar Oil Press Machine is used for pressing of peanuts, sesame, soybean, walnuts, mustard seeds, almond, sunflower seeds, coconut, vegetable seeds, flax seeds, kalonji. These oil press machine are with good capacity and advanced technology with digital temperature controller and compact attractive design. Our oil maker, oil press machine has higher efficiency with dual cooling system. Capacity of the machines are 2 to 4 kilograms per hour according to the material and machine model. It is easy for handling and you can handle with one hand only. The machines are made of 304 food-grade stainless steel. Our all machines is equipped with an industrial motor which can work continuously for more than 2 to 5 hours. It is easy to operate, clean, move and store. Due to today's uncertain times, it is necessary to press fresh edible oil for health consideration. These small oil maker machines are much easier to operate. This small oil press is less expensive and much easier to operate than bigger oil press machines. There is no any chemical mix during the process, so you get pure oil. It is light in weight and produce less noise. It is very convenient that can help you make oil anytime and perfect for home use.